So this morning is a nice balmy 3 degrees. We are actually going to test our heating system, so for the heated floors. Let's start the hydronics heater. Set at 85 degrees. There's the water pump kicking in. So now with the hydronics heater started, we are heating up first the coolant tank. We'll run it for 10 minutes and then switch on the floor. It's been 10 minutes and this tank is actually hot to the touch. You can keep your hand there for a couple of seconds before it gets too hot. We are going to switch on the floor now and see the temperature. The bathroom was open, but it allows us to test and to check. And it's been a minute and a half and you can feel the pecs warming up. It is almost half an hour since we started the hydronics heater and the temperature has risen, and also you can start feeling the laminate getting warm where the PEX pipes are running. You still have the space in between where the laminate is cooler, but where the PEX pipes are running, you can feel it's getting warm. We'll let it run for another half an hour and see what happens. Okay, it's almost been an hour, and as you can see, the temperature has risen to 13.3 degrees. And the heat on the floor is pretty even across all of the laminate pieces. There's a couple of cooler spots, but it's becoming more evenly heated.